Hey everyone, it's Mike Nardi here. In this video, we're doing another Fiverr seller review. This time around, we're reviewing a seller from Pakistan. He's a graphic designer and has been doing this since 2019. What I'll be reviewing in this video is his Fiverr profile, his Fiverr gig, so I'll be looking at the title of his gig, giving him the tips and feedbacks both from an SEO perspective and from a general, how good does it sound perspective. I'll be looking at the gig portfolio and gallery section, giving some feedback there, and then also the gig description. That's usually the area where I find people could use the most help. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you're liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Liking the video really helps me get these videos out to more people like yourself who might benefit from this type of content. And subscribing to the channel just helps us grow this community of like-minded Fiverr sellers here on YouTube. I appreciate it. Let's get into the review.
All right, so starting with your Fiverr profile, Sardar Services. Again, huge fan of using a real picture for your profile photo. I think that's an awesome way to connect with your buyers. Good job. You mentioned that you are creative designers at your service, so it sounds like you're a team of designers. That's pretty cool, and it's I get that impression from this tagline up here. Moving down, you've done a Fiverr Learn course. I think that is awesome. The more of these you do, the better. I think having as many credentials as you can on your profile definitely helps and can't hurt with the impression you're giving your buyers. So moving down to the description, I'll read it first and then I'll tell you what I think. Hello there. We are a professional design company with more than enough creative skills to put ideas into unique and eye-catching designs. The designs will capture attention at first glance and communicate the right message. Our services include presentation design, logo designing, photo editing, social media design. We love to see our clients growing their business with our efforts. Let's discuss your project via inbox. Order now. I think this is pretty awesome. Just maybe put a little period here. It looks like this is just kind of running on from that list you had before, but otherwise this is a great description. You're a team who knows what you're doing and you offer great services. I think that's great. You're fluent in English. That's awesome. And then you list a number of different skills here. This is fantastic. It looks like you've done some, skill tests on Fiverr for Photoshop. So you got that green arrow there or green check mark. That's awesome. And then you list some other, relevant skills to the services you offer. Really good. Education's listed here. I think that's great. And then you listed a number of different certifications you have related to graphic design. This one, project management with Oracle. That's great. And then Facebook for small businesses. Awesome. So I think this profile, does a fantastic job at letting any buyers that come across it know what you're doing. So this is great. I don't really have much feedback other than just a couple of the little periods and formatting in your description. So moving on to the gig you wanted me to review. It's this gig here where you design presentations for your clients. So starting with a subject line, I will create branded PowerPoint presentation design. I think it's okay. It doesn't really make sense though. So I will create branded PowerPoint presentation design. So maybe it would sound more natural if you put, I will design branded PowerPoint presentations. That would make more sense than just kind of the way it's formatted right now. But overall, great subject line. So I will design branded PowerPoint presentations, I think would be a much better option. You should consider maybe changing it to that. Moving down into your portfolio here, you have a video. This is something I'm seeing a lot of people doing lately. So I'll start by playing the video and I'll let you know my thoughts.
Do you want to leave your audience with a jaw-dropping impression? Take your presentation to the next level. About us. We have been working with clients from all over the world. Check out their reviews. We have loads of experience in presentation design. Our turnaround time is extra fast. We provide 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee. We will add transitions, animations, and even video into your presentation slides. We provide high-quality themes and infographics. Our process. You choose one of our gig packages that fits all of your needs. After choosing the right package for you, place an order and provide us all of the necessary details. If you have any questions regarding your presentation design, just send us a message and we will be there to discuss all the details. You will be given different design options that you can choose from. We will then promptly deliver our high-end presentation design. Order now.
So I think that was an awesome intro video. It was super informative, and I don't see that a lot where you actually break down what it's like and what your process is to work with your organization. The one thing that I'll mention is in that video, so you guys do PowerPoint presentation design, and you show that here. I think it would be cool that in this video where you're showing your services, you're actually clicking through the different slides in a PowerPoint so that the buyer can see the transitions you can do, some of the different slide layouts you have, versus just having them kind of all in a bird's eye spread like this. It's kind of hard to actually see what's going on here. Like, I can kind of tell what each slide has, but I think it'd be really powerful if in this video you actually were clicking through the PowerPoint presentation to give the buyer the full experience of what a finished project that your team can complete for them looks like. Overall, though, I think that was an awesome video, and it looks like you guys do fantastic work. This is all really sharp looking. The one thing that you pointed out in that video that I don't like, and a lot of people are doing this, and I don't think you should, is offering a money back guarantee. That is a big no-no. So what that does is right from the get-go, your buyer's looking at you, looking at buying your services and thinking to themselves, yeah, if I don't like anything about this, I'll just get my money back. That is not a situation I think you want to be in as a seller. Not to mention, it opens the door to buyers taking advantage of you, and that is not good. Your time and the effort you put into these presentations is valuable. If you deliver completed work that aligns with the order that was placed, you should be paid for that. So I think the portfolio here is fantastic. Just remove that money back guarantee. That will burn you. I don't like it. It gives me anxiety just thinking about it. Otherwise, very good. So moving down to the description, I'll start by reading it, and then again, I'll give you my thoughts. Looking for branded PowerPoint presentation designs, business pitch deck with fully editable infographics so that you can leave your audience with a jaw-dropping impression. We don't design low-quality presentations for cheap prices like many other sellers on this platform. We add real sample work on our gig portfolio so clients can get an idea of our designing skills. Then you put a link to your portfolio. I don't know how I feel about that. I would focus on having your portfolio up here. I don't know if Fiverr likes it when links are in a Fiverr gig description. That's just my 2 cents. Features of our services: 1, high quality PowerPoint presentation theme matching your branding details. 2, addition of high quality images, icons, and fully editable infographics matching your branding. Okay. 3, transitions and animations, free. 4, fully editable source files, free PDF format. 5, addition of logo and master slides and logo animation in title slide. 6, unlimited revisions until 100% satisfaction. Same with money back guarantee. Unlimited revisions, open the door to the possibility of you having an order that never ends. That's not a situation I think any seller should be in. I would limit the number of revisions you offer. If you want to offer a lot of revisions to stay competitive, offer 5, offer 10, but unlimited, that seems like an opportunity for buyers to push you for free work. Moving on, so number 7, incorporate video into your PowerPoint presentation. Great. No, prices may change depending upon the complexity of the content. Please contact us for additional slides or any other problem. Please check FAQ. We will also convert your presentation into a full 1080p video. Best regards. So overall, this is a great gig description. You outline what you do. You've listed what's included. You've created this in a way where it looks like they're getting great value. Transitions, editable source files, incorporating PowerPoints, and this is a gig extra, so that's a great upsell. The one thing that I would change is I don't know 100%, but I have a feeling that Fiverr doesn't like it when there's links in a gig description that point users on their platform to other websites. So I don't know where this bit.ly link directs people to. I assume it's just some sort of drive with your portfolio. But again, put your portfolio up here. That's what this area is meant for. Remove this link. Otherwise, this is a solid gig description. Overall, you have a great profile. It looks like you do great work, and this gig is pretty awesome.
All right, so thanks again for watching. I hope this video was really helpful, both to the seller who submitted his information, as well as anyone watching. I try my best to give tips from my experience as a Fiverr seller that'll help you improve and grow as a seller in your own right on the Fiverr platform. So thanks again for watching. Cheers.